Hey everybody, it's Tim from Tim's Detailing Obsession, and today's obsession is this. A simple little find I found at a local Walmart. This is for the beginners and maybe even intermediate detailers out there. Maybe you're just a weekend warrior, but this is a great find. I'm going to tell you all about it. So, you're looking for a polisher, you don't want to break the budget, I got just the thing. There's plenty of these, what we call cheaper polishers out there on the market. And this one here can be found right at Walmart. A lot of times it's not with the polishes and the waxes and car care products. It might be locked up in a glass case. If you look around, you might find it at your Walmart, and is it worth the purchase? I purchased this for $70, which is really cheap. It is a 6-inch polisher. It's the Platinum series, and I believe the Platinum series is exclusive to Walmart. But it's a 6-inch polisher, and right here it is, hanging on the front of my cart here. It's been used all summer long. So I ran it kind of through the paces, and it held up quite well. So just a side note, especially for us beginners that are just getting used to polishing or trying to understand the whole idea, the concept of what we're doing, and there's so many steps and whatnot, it can be confusing. And one of the cool things that I think the Platinum series has done here is they put our pads into these boxes, and they've actually labeled them. So this would be step one, which is this yellow pad. That is our compounding pad, and right at the top here, you can see that they have a yellow strip, and it's labeled compounding, our very first step here, okay? And then you go to the second, which is our polishing pad. And again, on the box, there's an orange strip here across the top. I don't know if you can pick that up on the camera, but it is labeled for us, making it super simple. Step number 2. And again, that nice pad, a little bit softer than the first, okay? And then they go right on with the third pad that they make, and it's a finishing pad. And again, you can see the blue label matching the blue pad. So they take a lot of the guesswork out of it for anybody beginning in this process of learning how to use a polisher and what pad to use. They take the guesswork out of it. I love that. So I think it's kind of a neat little thing that they do, kind of a minor little detail, but it is helpful when we're just starting off. The 3 different pads, again, same waffle design. Nice to have just a little bit of waffling on there to kind of reduce the heat while we're polishing. It does help a little bit. This one is super soft, really nice for that one-step paint correction. Again, the kind of Velcro feeling back to it for the hook and loop attachment, very nice. And these, believe it or not, were only $6.99 USD, so very reasonable. And I do know that I've seen people talk about a lot of these pads, and a lot of time the cheaper ones, the backing will separate from the pad itself. I have used these pads all summer long, washed them, reused them, washed them again, or reused them numerous times. I have not had one pad fall apart. So they've held up so far. I think it's a great value. So for under $100, you can get this setup. Now, this is a polisher that measures about 12 inches in length. Like I said, it does actually have the 6-inch pad. So it is an 8mm throw. It's not a very large throw, but it's perfect for the beginner. It helps you learn how to use it with quite a bit of ease. It's not complicated. It's a great place to start. I will probably keep this polisher around for a long time, as long as it continues to run, and so far it's gone through the paces and it's done a great job. So if you're looking for a cheap polisher, hey, this might be the one for you. Just to start off, just to have as a backup, which is not a bad thing. It is corded, you know, it has a single on-off switch. Nice and handy, easy to use, and it does a great job. I'll even throw up a few pics of some of the paint correction that I've done this summer. So I hope this helps. I hope that maybe if you're a beginner looking for somewhere to start and you don't want to break the budget, for under $100, this can get you a great setup. All you got to do is find a nice polishing cream and you're off to the races. Good luck. Come back, see some more. Like, subscribe. I'll see you next time. Thanks for joining.